Welcome to the enchanting island of Sri Lanka, land rich in history, culture, and an extraordinary legacy of spices. Once known as Ceylon, this island has been a crucial hub in the global spice trade for centuries. In the ancient world, Ceylon was renowned for its unparalleled quality of spices. These aromatic treasures were highly sought after and played a significant role in shaping the culinary landscapes of civilizations around the globe. Traders from Europe, the Middle East, and Asia voyaged across treacherous seas, all to get a taste of Ceylon's precious spices. The island's fertile soil and tropical climate created the perfect conditions for cultivating a variety of spices, making Ceylon a key player in the world market. The quality of Ceylon spices is unmatched. Take Ceylon cinnamon, for instance. It has a delicate, sweet flavor that sets it apart from other varieties. The island's unique environment enhances the essential oils in the spices, making them exceptionally aromatic and flavorful. Ceylon spices are not only a testament to our rich history, but also an integral part of Sri Lankan cuisine. From the fragrant biryanis to the spicy curries, these spices add depth and complexity to our dishes, making every meal a celebration of flavors. Today, the legacy of Ceylon spices continues to thrive. Tourists from around the world visit Sri Lanka to experience the vibrant spice markets, where the air is thick with the intoxicating scents of cinnamon, pepper, and cloves. Join us on this journey through time and taste, and discover the magic of Ceylon spices. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or a history buff, Sri Lanka's spices offer a sensory experience like no other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating stories from around the world. Until next time, happy cooking and happy exploring. For that, you can visit Maxtastelanka, a one-stop destination for a variety of healthy, quality Ceylon foods, spices, and beverages. Be a witness to the Ceylon spices and other quality condiments with Maxtastelanka. Nourish your life naturally.